Jimmy's House, a project by MJA Studio, is a testament to innovative design within the constraints of urban infill development. Situated on a typical battleaxe block, this home challenges conventional suburban norms by prioritizing open spaces and a seamless connection with the surrounding environment. The architects aimed to create a home that was not only compliant with building regulations, but also generous to its neighbors and the local community. By flipping the traditional layout, they transformed the laneway into the main entrance, opening up the rear of the property to a public park. This strategic move not only maximized the use of available space, but also fostered a sense of community engagement. Inspired by the work of Marshall Clifton and Julius Elischer, the design embraces a vernacular architecture that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The use of rough, white-bagged brickwork reflects the harsh Perth climate while providing a strong enclosure. Glazed blue brickwork adds a touch of exoticism, echoing the surrounding tiled roofs and the courtyard typology. Recycled spotted gum timber introduces warmth to the palette of raw materials, further blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. The courtyard typology serves as the foundation for the home's passive solar design. By orienting the building to maximize solar gain in winter and minimize it in summer, the architects achieved optimal energy efficiency. The use of single-depth spaces, thermal chimneys, and strategically placed openings enhances natural ventilation and reduces the need for mechanical cooling. Sustainability is a core principle of the design, with features such as green roofs, double glazing, photovoltaic cells, and the incorporation of recycled materials. The home is designed to be adaptable to future needs, with the potential to convert from a one-bedroom dwelling to a three-bedroom home. Jimmy's House is more than just a dwelling, it is a model for sustainable urban living. By challenging conventional design practices and prioritizing community engagement, this project demonstrates the potential for innovative and environmentally responsible architecture within existing urban fabric. Well, there you have it, folks. Jimmy's House, a stunning example of sustainable architecture and innovative design. MJA Studio has truly outdone themselves with this project, creating a home that is not only beautiful but also functional and environmentally friendly. If you're looking for inspiration for your own home renovation or new build, I highly recommend checking out Jimmy's house. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos on architecture, design, and sustainability. We'll see you next time.